Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to No One Place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 3 altcoins to buy right now. So in the past 24 hours, the market has been pretty green here, up about 1.21%. And this is something that we talked about in Saturday's video. We talked about Sunday and possibly Saturday being a little bit of an uptrend because we usually tend to see green days or green weekends, I guess you could say, on Saturdays and Sundays. We have that uptrend, and that's exactly what happened here. So top gainers here in the past 24 hours are going to be Shiba Inu, which is up about 31.51%. It's close to the all-time highs right now, and it's very popular. We have our highest volume, which is going to be Bitcoin at 26 billion, Ethereum at 14.7 billion. So the volume has actually dropped off significantly over the weekend compared to where we were just a few days ago, almost double the volume. So Bitcoin is pretty much trading flat here at 61,000. It is literally flat here on the change. Ethereum's up almost 4%, trading around this 41 area. And then we obviously have the altcoins, which are obviously, most of them are in the green, about a percent or so. And then obviously we have some outliers like Uniswap up 4%, Chainlink 7%, and Chainlink was in yesterday's video, so if you guys missed that one, that was one of the ones we talked about. Shiba Inu, like we just said, 31.51%, almost up into the 4s now. So we went from 2s to 3s to almost 4s now. All-time highs are coming soon. Everything else is up a percent or so as well, guys. So we definitely are seeing a little bit of a run here in the altcoin situation. So, guys, if you enjoyed this type of content, smash that like button. It only takes 1 second. Let's aim for 100+ likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you planning to buy right now. So let's get into it. First altcoin is going to be Stellar Lumens, XLM. So XLM here, in the past 24 hours, it is up about 1.5%, trading around this 38 cents area. In the past week, we're down about 4.5%. On the 1 month chart, we are up about 25% almost, from lows down here of about 26 cents to highs of about over 42 cents at one point. On the 1 year chart, 341%. Last October, we were trading at around 7 or 8 cents here, as you guys can see. We saw highs here. It actually continued to go higher and higher. So November, we saw a new high. Then we saw another one in January. Once again, end of February. Here again in April, and then May, we saw that final pop to 80 cents, pulled back down with the market all the way down to about 21 cents, which is about a 70% drop or so from the all-time high that we saw there. And then from this 21 cents area, we did see highs here around this 42 cents area come and go, obviously. So about 100% upside here from July to September in about a month and a half or two. So it didn't, go up about 100%, which is very nice to see, obviously, with any cryptocurrency or stock in general, obviously, because 100% return in a matter of a month is insane. So market cap currently 9.1 billion. As you guys can see, volume is dropping a little bit, down about 24% less than usual at 431.3 million. Our typical hold time is going to be 31 days, 53% buy activity, 47% sell activity. It is ranked the number 18 coin right now. Stellar's cryptocurrency, the Stellar Lumen XLM, powers the Stellar payment system or payment network. Stellar aims to connect banks, payment systems, and individuals quickly and reliably. That is their goal for the future, obviously. And this coin continues to go higher and higher. I mean, just looking from, last October to the highs here, that was about 1,000% gain. So 1,000% gain from the end of November to the beginning here in May. So if you would have invested $1,000 into this coin and it went up 1,000% in this time range, you'd be up about $10,000. Another situation we could be looking at is obviously if you would have bought last in November and you're still holding, you're still up over 341%, which means that $1,000 would be about $3,500 in profit, which is still a great return in my opinion. I mean, in the stock market where we all expect about 10% return, crypto market is a whole nother player, guys. It's a whole nother world. It tends to boom a lot quicker, and that's definitely something that's going on here with Stellar Lumens as well. So this is definitely going to be our first altcoin on this list. Our second altcoin is going to be Litecoin Ltc. A lot of you guys have been commenting recently in the videos saying cover Litecoin, cover Litecoin. I have covered Litecoin, so you guys must be missing some of the videos, so we'll definitely cover it again. So up about 1.84% here in the past 24 hours, trading at $195. So trading in the 190s here Friday into Saturday, pulled back down to about 188 and came back up here on Saturday going into Sunday, trading around right under 200. In the past week, we're up about 3%. In the past month, 21%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up about 252% or so, which is a nice gain once again, pretty much similar to Stellar Lumens. Stellar Lumens is up about 100% higher, but Litecoin is still doing great, from $54 all the way to highs of about 420 almost here. Which was a nice area to hit, and then we pulled back down all the way down to about $107. Now, if we take a look at that all-time chart here in 2017, we actually saw it hit 420, and then obviously here we saw it hit that exact same range, 420. It hit that peak and then it pulled back down with the market, and we were not able to break through it. Came back down all the way to about $107 right here. So it did come back down significantly, and then it came back up all the way to 232 or so. So about 100% profit or so. Pretty much same pattern as Stellar Lumen. So pretty much same exact pattern here. Consolidating now and making an uptrend. 13.5 billion market cap right now. 1.9 billion volume. Down about 16% lower than usual. Typical hold time is going to be 98 days. We have 61% buy activity, 39% sell activity on this coin, and it is ranked the number 13 coin. Now back in the day, obviously Litecoin was kind of like one of the big dogs. So it was like, Bitcoin, Litecoin was up there as well. We saw Ripple, Ethereum. Those were like the bigger coins that everybody was kind of getting into. And Litecoin was definitely one of the big dogs. It was kind of like the silver to Bitcoin's gold in one way, I guess you could say. So Litecoin is a cryptocurrency that uses a faster payment confirmation schedule and a different cryptographic algorithm than Bitcoin. So it is different from Bitcoin. And obviously market cap wise, it's a lot lower than Bitcoin is, since this one is only at a 13.5 billion market cap right now. So that's going to be our second altcoin. And then last but not least, the number 3 altcoin on this list is going to be Aave. So Aave right now, this one's the lowest market cap on this list. In the past day, it's up about 3.5%. In the past week, we're up 6%. On the 1 month chart, 4.6%. And then on the 1 year chart, 720%, guys. So this one right here, last October, was trading at around $29. We hit highs of about $500 in February, consolidated for about a month or two. Hit new highs here at 670. This was when the green coins were getting really pumped up, I guess you could say, because Elon Musk said that Bitcoin would not be accepted by Tesla anymore. So greener coins like Aave, Solana, Polygon, they all kind of boomed here in this time period between May and mid-May. And that's exactly when we saw these highs, obviously. Then the market pulled back down and kind of consolidated. We hit lows of under 200 at one point, came back to highs of over 428, and now we've been on a consolidation area right here for a while. 4.3 billion market cap, the lowest one out of the three, like we said. 167.2 million volume, which is down about 17% lower than usual. Typical hold time is going to be 21 days for this coin. It is ranked the number 27 coin, so it is not, in the top dogs, obviously, but it is one of the coins to be watching for the future because of the environment and different things that people want to save, obviously. 47% buy activity, 53% sell activity, so it is more of a selling than a buyer. Aave is an Ethereum token that powers Aave, a decentralized non-custodial money market protocol where users can participate as depositors or borrowers. Now, depositors provide liquidity to the market to earn a passive income, while the borrowers are able to borrow cryptocurrencies in exchange for paying a variable interest rate. So Aave, definitely another coin we're going to be watching. Only a 4.3 billion market cap. I would not be surprised if this coin was trading at 40 or 50 billion market cap in the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years, which would give it about a 10x opportunity, and it would be trading at around $3,000 per coin. So Aave is definitely one that you should be watching, and do your own research on, obviously, to see if it fits your criteria to be a trading cryptocurrency. So that's going to be our third one. Now, we're going to be looking at the rest of the market, guys. First of all, Solana, still trading around this $200 range. It's pretty much flat in the past 24 hours. Next up, we have Doge, which is up about 1.5%. Every time Shiba goes up, Doge has a little bit of a boost. Then we have, obviously, Shiba, the big one, guys. So this one has definitely been making a huge move here lately. If we take a look here in the one-day chart, 29%. So we saw here Saturday night into a Sunday morning, obviously started to boom and continue to go higher. In the past week, we're up 39%. Past month, 368%. So here previously we were at about 0.000037. That's pretty much where we're at right now. Actually, we're hitting those highs right now once again and pull back down. We're waiting obviously for the all-time high area here, closer to the 4s. If we can get to the 4s, we'll be at the all-time high for sure. 14 billion market cap currently on Shiba Inu, so definitely a momentum play right now that everybody's gonna be watching over the weekend. Then we have Bitcoin, guys. So Bitcoin in the past day pretty much flat here. Been trading around the 61,000 area. In the past week, it's pretty much flat as well. So we started off the week at 60,000 last week, came up to highs of about 67,000, hit all-time highs with Bitcoin, and then we just continue to see a downtrend here Thursday, Friday, and Saturday going into Sunday. But on the 1 month chart, we're up 36%, 1 year chart, 365%. Insane gains with a Bitcoin, almost at the all-time high area. 1.2 trillion market cap, 36% of the crypto market space right here. Volume is down 31% lower than usual at 26 billion. Typical hold time is 85 days, 66% buy activity and 34% sell activity on Bitcoin. Then we have Ethereum. Ethereum, pretty much same pattern, but it's been on an uptrend here going into Sunday morning. It is up about 4% almost here at 4,137. In the past week, we're up 7%, past month 34%, and then on the 1-year chart, 910%. So obviously in the short term, it was lagging behind Bitcoin, and now it's trying to make up for it. But in the past year or so, Ethereum has, gone up over double what Bitcoin has. So Ethereum is the winner right here in the long term. Market cap 490.4 billion, 15% of the crypto market space. Volume at 14.7 billion, which is 23% lower than usual. 81 typical hold time days. Ranked number 2 coin. 68% buy activity, 32% sell activity on Ethereum. So obviously, guys, those those are the coins we're watching, and that is how the market is performing. What do you guys think is going to happen here going into the rest of the week? We have more earnings coming up, and obviously earnings are still going to affect the way cryptocurrency is moving, because if we see a big drop in the stock market, crypto might get pulled back down, or it might be the opposite and crypto might boom. So we're going to be watching very carefully in the next few weeks, obviously, as we see more earnings coming out in the stock market as well, to see how crypto will perform in the long term. So you guys let me know in the comments below, what do you think? As always, if you enjoyed this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100+ likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so speak to your financial advisor before investing. Make sure you understand that you're getting into a high risk, high reward type situation, and make sure this is only for entertainment purposes, guys, only. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.